What if I told you some of the cutest animals on Earth are actually the most dangerous? They look soft, tiny, harmless, but in reality, they can paralyze, poison, or even kill in minutes. Today, we're counting down the most adorable creatures you should never touch, and trust me, number 1 looks like a toy. Welcome back to the wild side of nature. This is where cute meets chaos. If you love animals, wildlife facts, and surprising nature stories, you're in the right place. Because in the animal kingdom, looks can be very, very deceiving. 1. Blue-ringed octopus. Meet the blue-ringed octopus. It's tiny, about the size of a golf ball. And honestly, it looks like something you'd see in a kid's aquarium. But here's the scary part. This little ocean creature carries venom strong enough to kill more than 20 adults. And the worst part? You might not even feel the bite. Its venom shuts down the body, stopping muscles from working, including the lungs. Now, imagine swimming peacefully at the beach, and this tiny glowing octopus is right beside your hand. Yeah, suddenly the ocean feels a lot less relaxing. Fun fact with a dark twist. Those bright blue rings, that's not decoration. That's a warning sign. Nature basically said, look at me and stay away. Number 2, poison dart frog. Next up, the poison dart frog. This tiny frog looks like it was painted by an artist. Bright yellow, neon blue, electric red. It looks like candy, but touching it could be the worst mistake of your life. Some species carry enough toxin to kill 10 grown adults, and they don't bite. They don't chase. Their skin alone is dangerous. In fact, ancient tribes used their poison on hunting darts. That's where the name comes from. So basically, this frog is small, colorful, and extremely deadly, which proves one thing. If it looks like Skittles in the jungle, don't touch it. Number 3, stonefish. Now let's go underwater again. This is the stonefish, and it might be the best hider in the entire ocean. Why? Because it literally looks like a rock. People step on it by accident all the time, and that's when the nightmare starts. Its spines inject venom that causes extreme pain, shock, and sometimes death. Imagine walking at the beach, stepping on a rock, and suddenly feeling the worst pain of your life. Yeah, that rock just fought back. Even worse, you probably wouldn't even see it. Nature made this creature the master of camouflage. Number 4, slow loris. Now, let's talk about one of the cutest animals on this list, the slow loris. Big eyes, tiny hands, looks like a living teddy bear. But here's the shocking truth. This is the only venomous primate in the world. It has a special gland near its elbows that produces toxin. When threatened, it mixes the toxin with saliva and bites, and that bite can cause serious allergic reactions, even death. So yeah, that cute little face? It comes with a warning label. It looks like it wants a hug. But trust me, this is not the kind of animal you pet. Number 5, cone snail. This next animal looks beautiful. It's called the cone snail. It has a shell that people collect because it looks like art. But this tiny snail has a hidden weapon. It shoots a microscopic harpoon filled with venom, and it happens so fast, you wouldn't even notice. Some victims describe feeling a small sting, then suddenly losing control of their body. And here's the scary part. There's no fast cure, which makes this one of the most dangerous animals in the ocean. So next time you see a pretty shell on the beach, maybe admire it from a distance. Number 6, panda. Surprising fact. Now this one might surprise you. The panda. Yes, that panda. It looks soft, slow, and peaceful. But pandas are still bears, and bears are incredibly strong. A panda bite has enough force to crush bamboo and bones. They rarely attack humans. But when they do, the damage is serious. So even though they look like giant plush toys, they are still wild animals. Rule of nature. If it's a bear, keep your distance. Number 7. Final build-up animal. Top pick. Now for the most shocking one. The animal that looks the most harmless, but is extremely dangerous. The box jellyfish. It's almost invisible in the water. No scary teeth, no loud warning sounds, just floating silently. But its tentacles carry venom that can stop a human heart. Some people don't even realize they've been stung until it's too late. And that's what makes it terrifying. You can't see it. You can't hear it. And you definitely don't want to touch it. Number 8. Bullet ant. Meet the bullet ant. It doesn't look scary at all. It's just a large black ant walking in the jungle. But its sting is considered the most painful insect sting in the world. People say it feels like being shot. That's why it's called the bullet ant. The pain can last for 24 hours and can make your whole arm feel paralyzed. And the crazy part? It's only an ant. Small body, huge pain. Another reminder that size means nothing in nature. Number 9. Pufferfish. Now, here's a fish that looks funny and cute. The pufferfish. It inflates like a balloon when scared. It even looks friendly, but inside its body is a deadly toxin called tetrodotoxin. Yes, the same poison found in the blue-ringed octopus. It's strong enough to kill humans in small amounts. In some countries, specially trained chefs prepare it as food. One small mistake, and it can be deadly. Cute face, silent danger. Number 10. Giant squid. Deep in the ocean lives the giant squid. It's rarely seen, and honestly, you might think it's just a myth. But this creature can grow up to 43 feet long, with tentacles covered in suckers and hooks. It's not aggressive to humans, but if provoked, it can easily overpower a diver. Its massive eyes are the size of dinner plates, perfect for spotting prey in total darkness. The takeaway? Some of the ocean's scariest predators are completely hidden. You just never know what's swimming below. Number 11. Saltwater crocodile. Finally, meet the saltwater crocodile. It looks prehistoric. It moves slow until it moves fast. The largest living reptile on Earth, it can reach up to 23 feet and over a ton in weight. Despite appearances, it can strike with terrifying speed and power. Even a single bite is enough to crush bones and end a life. It proves one thing: never judge a creature by its stillness. Nature is patient and deadly. Nature is full of beauty, but also full of danger. And sometimes, the cutest animals are the most deadly. So next time you're at the beach, hiking, or exploring nature, remember this list. Because survival isn't about strength. It's about knowing what to avoid. If you love wildlife documentaries, dangerous animal facts, and nature stories, hit subscribe right now. New animal videos every week. And comment below. Which animal shocked you the most?